Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Factors which affect the 2-3 DPG. So let's first look at the increase in the 2-3 DPG. The increase in the 2-3 DPG may be caused by the chronic hypoxia. So you have the chronic hypoxia. Next will be the anemia. Then comes the acclimatization, and that is the high altitude. Next is the thyroid hormone also increases, that is the thyroid hormone as well as the growth hormone, and even in terms of the androgen. To watch the full video, please click on the link below and it will redirect you to the main video.